I have another friend who's having an issue with his MacBook Air. This is the same exact kind as the original one, another one that I did, which is a MacBook Air A1466, early 2014. It has Yosemite installed, so I'm switching it out. I already took out the bottom, and I'm just actually adding the battery. So I bought a different kind of battery so I could do another different kind of video just to let you know if this one works also. It's a little bit more pricey. This is, oh, it has a keyboard protector. That's pretty cool. So it's a little bit more pricey. I guess they give it to you for free. I don't know why, but it had very, very good reviews. So this is the actual battery itself. This doesn't have the cover that the other one did, those plastic pieces. It comes with the screws. I love that it comes with that. Oh, it comes with extra screws. Awesome. That's a first. I wonder if that's for the battery. Unsure, I'm gonna find out. And look at that, it comes with legs for the bottom of the MacBook to replace the legs if they're bad. The little pads. I guess skid-free pads. Nothing else. And some information on the item. A lot of information on the item. I'll give you that at the end. Let me just show you everything that comes inside the box. Everything you get. So that is everything. So let's install it on the Mac and let's hope it works. I'll have this at the end also. It's pretty cool. I already had unscrewed the old one. Let's put in the new one. So I'm not gonna screw everything in yet until I make sure that it's the battery before I start putting it back together. And it's great that it comes with extra screws. So I know with the battery you need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5th one in the middle. The 5th one is the longest one, and over here I have more than that. So you probably can use them on the outer area of the Mac also, which is pretty cool. And even if you don't use them, keep them, because you never know. So let's put the connect the battery. Now that it's plugged in, let me close it, and we'll charge it and see if it turns on. Okay, good sign. So let's come back in a little bit. Let's see if it turns green. Hey, it just went on. So it is working. Hey, it's on. Awesome. It's working. Great. I just logged in. Awesome. This is the second battery that I purchased. I left it plugged in, got it 100% charged. Should be 100%, as you see there. It didn't take too long. I didn't even pay attention. I just left it overnight charging. I've been using it, having the battery go down, having the battery go up and charge. And it seems to be working fine, this battery, for this laptop. Again, this is the second one that I created, that I bought a battery for. It seems to be okay. It's you know, a replacement battery. Again, I would not buy replacement battery from, you know, I should rephrase this. Since this is a laptop that has no real value, that's looking just to use it for anything, I would be, you know, weary about buying a battery that's third party over buying an Apple battery. But that's all up to you, and you do that at your own risk. This laptop, they just need it to work. It doesn't matter whether it does or not. It'd just be nice to have an extra laptop. So they're not looking to spend the amount of money that Apple probably will charge to have this replaced. That's all it is. But it is a third party battery, and you are taking a chance in it not working or not working appropriately. So, you know, be careful. You know, just be careful. But it seems to be working just fine. No issues whatsoever.
XINGLT replacement laptop battery for Apple. MacBook Air 13-inch A1466 Mid 2012 Mid 2013. Early 2014 Early 2015 2017 A1369 Late 2010. Mid 2011 version 7200 mAh. Fits A1496 A1405. A1377 new 2020 upgraded 3.0. Cost $49.99. Purchased on Amazon's website. Batteries: 1 lithium metal batteries required. Included. Brand: XINGLT. Voltage: 7.4 volts. Battery weight: 400 grams. Compatible devices: laptop, keyboard. About this item. XINGLT MacBook Air battery, 2019 upgraded 3.0, Japan electric core, cobalt proportion, 99%. Cobalt, 99%, the higher the proportion of cobalt, the better the performance of the battery. The manufacturing standards and testing standard are the same as those of the original battery supplier. New upgrade 3.0 quality, battery for MacBook Air 13-inch with Japan high-performance electric core, 7,200 mAh voltage, 7.4 V capacity, 53.28 Wh, compatible with 7.6 V/55 Wh and 7.4 V/53.28 Wh. Package include 1x MacBook battery, 1x keyboard protective film, 2x screwdrivers, 4x helper mat, 10x replacement screws. After sale and operation time, consistent with the new original battery life, even more than the original battery. Up to 500 recharge cycles over the life of the battery. 25 months after sale, normal capacity loss is not covered by the after sale, 30 days money return service and 24/7 email customer support. Replacement battery for MacBook Air, made for MacBook Air 13-inch A1466, Mid 2012, Mid 2013, Early 2014, Early 2015, 2017 version, A1369, Late 2010, Mid 2011 version, MC503LL/A, MC504LL/A, MC965LL/A, MC966LL/A, MD231LL/A, MD232LL/A, MD760LL/A, MD761LL/A, MD760LL/B, MD761LL/B, MJVE2LL/A, MJVG2LL/A, EMC applicable number 2469/2559. See compatible models. Newest premium grade cells, XINGLT MacBook Air laptop replacement battery ensure fast charges and low power consumption. Built-in circuit protection ensures both safety and stability. UL-CE-/FCC-RoHS certified for safety, about 500 recharge cycles over the life of the battery, life cycle, 3 to 5 years. From the manufacturer, Japan Electric Core, 2019 upgraded 3.0, cobalt proportion 99%. The higher the proportion of cobalt, the better the performance of the battery. XINGLT 2019 newest laptop battery compatible for MacBook Air 13. A1466 Mid 2012, Mid 2013, Early 2014, Early 2015-2017, A1369, Late 2010, Mid 2011 version. Fits A1496 A1377 A1405. About 500 recharge cycles over the life of the battery, life cycle, 3 to 5 years. 7,200 mAh, voltage, 7.6 V capacity, 55 Wh. Japan High Performance Electric Core. High Performance Core. Imported high-quality Japanese batteries electric core are safer and more stable. High capacity, high durability battery life. 7,200 mAh. Voltage, 7.6 V capacity, 55 Wh. XINGLT Smart Control Chip ensures battery protection safety system. Overheating protection. Overcurrent protection. Overvoltage protection. Overcharge protection. Short circuit protection. Over-discharge protection. 100% seamless fit. Same size as original battery. Don't worry about assembly and adaptation issues. Made for MacBook Air 13-inch A1466, A1369. Made for MacBook Air 13-inch A1466, Mid 2012, Mid 2013, Early 2014, Early 2015-2017 version. A1369, Late 2010, Mid 2011 version, MC503LL/A, MC504LL/A, MC965LL/A, MC966LL/A, MD231LL/A, MD232LL/A, MD760LL/A, MD761LL/A, MD760LL/B, MD761LL/B, MJVE2LL/A, MJVG2LL/A. Replacement laptop battery for Apple MacBook Air 13-inch A1466, Mid 2012, Mid 2013, Early 2014, Early 2015-2017, A1369, Late 2010, Mid 2011 version, 7200 mAh, fits A1496 A1405 A1377, new 2020 upgraded 3.0. Product description. Note: use Ctrl+F to find your models. Each cell has a layer of plastic film attached to it. This is used to protect the cells. Please do not remove them. XINGLT MacBook Air battery compatible part numbers. Compatible with MacBook Air 13 battery modes. A1496, A1405, A1377, 020-7379A, 020-8143A, 661-5731, 661-6055. Compatible models: MacBook Air 3,213 A1369, late 2010. MC503LL/A, 1.86 GHz Core 2 Duo. MC504LL/A, 1.86 GHz Core 2 Duo. MC504LL/BTO, 2.13 GHz Core 2 Duo. MacBook Air 4,213 A1369, mid 2011. MC965LL/A, 1.7 GHz Core 2 Duo. MC966LL/A, 1.7 GHz Core 2 Duo. BTO/CTO, 1.8 GHz Core i7. MacBook Air 5,213 A1466, mid 2012. MD231LL/A 1.8 GHz Core i5. MD232LL/A 2.0 GHz Core i5. BTO/CTO 2.0 GHz Core i7. MacBook Air 6,213 A1466 Mid 2013. MD760LL/A 1.3 GHz Core i5. MD761LL/A 1.3 GHz Core i5. MacBook Air 6,213 A1466 early 2014. MD760LL/B 1.4 GHz Core i5. MD761LL/B 1.4 GHz Core i5. MacBook Air 7,213 A1466 early 2015. MJVE2LL/A 1.6 GHz Core i5. MJVG2LL/A 1.6 GHz Core i5. MacBook Air 7,213 A1466 whole 2017. MQD32XX/A. MQD42XX/A. MQD52XX/A. MacBook Air 13-inch computer models. MC503LL/A/MC503ZP/A/MC503B/A/MC503A/MC504/LL/A/MC965LL/A. MC960LL/A/MD231LL/A/MD760LL/B/MD761LL/A/MD761LL/B/MJVE2LL/A. Package include 1X MacBook battery, 1X keyboard protective film, 2X screwdrivers, 4X helper mat, 10X replacement screws. Product information. Technical details. Collapse all. Other technical details. Brand XINGLT. Item model number A1377 A1405 A1496. Item weight 7 ounces. Product dimensions 12.9 x 6.7 x 1.3 inches. Item dimensions LXWXH 12.9 x 6.7 x 1.3 inches. Color A1496/A1405/A1377. Power source battery. Voltage 7.4 volts. Batteries 1 lithium metal batteries required. Included. Manufacturer XINGLT. ASIN B07QS711K3. Important information. Safety information. Keep far away from water, fire, and children. Legal disclaimer. Keep far away from water and fire.